Hey, beautiful and amazing people! Thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel today. If you have been watching my channel, thank you so much. God bless you. And if today is your first time, I appreciate your time here a lot. You don't know what you are doing for me. I thank you so much. So today I'm here to braid short length, medium length, twist. 2-strand twist, guys. So today I'm using a soft twist to do that. So don't forget to stay in so I can show you all the step-by-step procedures that I'm using to achieve this style. So get ready to embrace the beauty and amazing trendy hairstyle that's sure to turn heads or make a statement. So whether you're looking for it for a special occasion or your everyday look, the medium length Afro twist offers perfect balance of style and convenience. So step out with confidence as your Afro twist shines with vibrant curls and volume. So with medium length, I provide you with endless styling possibilities. So from bands to updos to letting your hair down, you enjoy countless ways to embrace your individuality. So this Afro twist that I'm doing is not just a style, it's a celebration of culture and heritage, especially for Black queens or people of color. So thank you so much as you watch this amazing style. So with a statement to beauty and to diversity, African to the entire Africa diaspora. So with everyday twist and turns, you wear your roots proudly, guys. So step by step, I'm going to tell you how I'm achieving this style. So as you can see, I've lined up the hair from the back. I didn't want to worry anybody so much, so I didn't show the back too much. But when you're doing this style, make sure you focus much more on the front. Make sure the front is coming out perfect. The lines, the pattern is coming out perfect. But the back, do not worry so much about the back, because the back doesn't matter whether it's looking neat or it's looking rough. So far as the back is going to cover, I always say that in my video, so far as the front hair is going to cover the back, you are good to go. Make sure the front is lining up, okay? So no matter what the occasion, as I said earlier, medium length Afro twist brings some kind of confidence in the style. So it's a choice for both formal and casual events, so giving you the freedom to express yourself in any setting. So go ahead and let your personality shine through your stunning Afro twist, guy. So what I'm doing here is that I'm using Afro twist. You know, there are two types of Afro hair: the soft one and the kinky, a little bit hard but not 100% hard, but it's a little bit harder than this particular one that I'm using. This one is super soft. The reason why I'm using this one is because it gives this kind of spring, stretchy looks. It's not just straightforward like normal braids. It gives this kind of bouncy feeling, okay? Sorry if I got that side wrong. So guys, as we continue watching, pay attention to how I'm twisting it. This particular hair is not difficult to twist. It's so easy. Okay, you don't have to do too much. You don't have to use too much energy. It saves time and energy, guys. So step by step, I've lined up the hair already. So every hairline, so as you can see the line in the hair, I make sure I correct the line for it to look neat. Then I take a little portion out of every line. So from the forehead to the middle of the back, I make sure I get about 6 pieces of hair or from every line that I part. So right now I'm going ahead to twist the hair ready. Then I go ahead, take the extension and roll 1, 2 around it before I divide it into 2 sections and twist downwards. Okay, that way when you do it that way, the hair look so amazing. It doesn't look loose at the roots. So first of all, let me go over this again. When you are braiding it, make sure you braid your natural hair into maybe 3 times into a box braid. Before you go ahead, take your extension to wrap around. When you take your extension, wrap 1, 2, then you go ahead to divide it into 2. Now you have 2, you don't have 3 anymore. So you divide it into 2, then you twist it down. So always make sure the line is correct. There's nothing blocking the lines. The part, make sure it's neat at the front. So all I always tell my people, sometimes I get this online services to teach people, everybody that is learning, do not, if you are doing it on yourself the first time, a time will come you will get everything perfectly. So as you start learning how to do your own hair right now, do not worry so much about the back. Though you have to use a mirror, a time will come when you are perfect with the lining. You don't need a mirror. You just use the mind to measure the back. When I say you use the mind, that means you are going to just imagine everything you are doing behind your back. You don't have to worry so much about how the back is going to look. So when I say you imagine the back, that is what I mean. You will not be needing anything to be able to do your back hair. And that stage, when you get to that stage, it's called experience, the experience stage. Because you are so much experienced that you don't even need a mirror. But if someone is around you too and you're a beginner, you can let the person watch the back or pat the back for you. So you can also get it. It's okay to get it perfectly. It's okay to get it crisscrossing each other. I always say this, do not worry so much about how it's going to look from the back. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to, whenever you get to the bottom or the middle of the hair and you realize the middle is becoming tiny, make sure you add a little bit of hair to thicken it up to make it a bit thicker. Then you continue braiding, okay? All I want is that everybody should be able to have the confidence to be able to do their own hair. That is why I make sure I do this tutorial every single time. When sometimes I start doing the hair, then as time goes on, I get this vibe or this, it just come into mind that why not record this beautiful style for people to see what you are about or what you are doing. That is when I go for my cameras, my microphone, and start recording. I just want everybody to be able to get this knowledge and be able to do their hair. So there's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong when it comes to styling your own hair. So as you can see, the lines you see on my hair is so straight. Okay, it's super straight. It's not rough. The other side looking rough. Everything is looking straight from the front. That is how, no matter, even if the hair doesn't come out nicely, make sure the lines or the pattern is coming out nicely. Okay. So as you can see, this one, I don't know if I should call it spring twist because I'm not using the spring, 100% spring. The spring one is the Afro soft or Afro silky hair. Those ones, I use them mostly for butterfly locks and other locks. But this particular one is almost like spring twist. Okay, it's not. So this is the hair I use. As you can see me holding the hair. If you don't watch the video to the end, you'll not be able to see the extension I use. Sometimes with the tutorial, the tutors or hair tutorial, hair teachers, let me call it hair teachers. Sometimes you don't really see us showing everything from the beginning. Sometimes making sure everything starts from the beginning makes it a bit boring. That is why you have to watch the video to an end to be able to see every step. And when you are doing this type of hair, make sure you have your product, your hair product, your hair gel. Do not use a hair gel that flakes, okay? Make sure maybe I'll show the type of hair gels I use in some of my videos. So make sure you watch other videos to be able to understand what I am talking about, okay? So make sure you use gels that don't. So, okay, let me go ahead and pause a little bit. Then at a point I will tell you how I am attaching human hair extension to the end. So over here, watch carefully to the end. at a point you see me attaching the human hair extension. So I'll braid to a point. When I get to a point, I don't want the extension or human hair extension to be in the middle or at the root of my hair. So over here, I'm looking for the extension, the human hair extension. I'm going to attach a little bit. That is what you are seeing me holding right now. Though over here, the hair is starting to disturb me a little because now I'm getting to the end, getting to the end of the hair, so you could see it blocking the entire face. So right now I've added a little bit of the human hair extension to the hair, so I will continue braiding. When I get to the end or the tip of it, I'll add a little bit again to actually extend the length downwards. So keep watching over here. So sometimes you don't even need all this voice all this explanation. Just watch it closely and you will get to know everything that I am trying to say in the video. Okay, so yeah, so over here you realize I'm getting to the back of my head, and patting is becoming a little bit difficult. So this is the last line. The last line, you could see me trying to make the line neat. So make sure the line is always neat. Okay, if you are a starter, you are not learning how to do your own hair, start with short hair. Do not do a too long extension. If not, you get tired at the end. Make sure it's short so you can quicken it fast, because if you are not able to quicken it, that means you get tired at the end. So my advice is that make sure you do short hair. You start learning how to do your hair with a short length, because that way you find it so easier to do your own hair. So yeah. So watch closely and do not forget to pay attention to the roots. If not, someone will say you do cost 90 job. You do cost 90 work. Make sure you pay attention to the root of whatever you are doing. If the root is tight enough, you are good to go. Okay, just make sure the root is super tight so everything can be in place. All right, so yeah, as you can see how beautiful the hair is coming out, the roots and everything. This looks like it was done by at a salon. Yeah, someone who could see everything behind. It was done clearly from the roots. So do not hesitate to let me know if you are interested in any form of the designs or any form of the hair. So I'm checking for you. Make sure you rock this hair. There are so many styles. I even did a lot of styles. I will show you. If you are able to watch this video to the end, you see all the styles that I did with this hair. After I finished doing the hair, I did a lot of styles on it. I am super happy I am finally getting done with this hair. So what I'm planning to do is to style it, because there are a lot of people who don't know how to style this kind of style. It's so easy, so not so difficult to style. So today I'm showing you how you can style this hair. So simply, this is number one, and all up and a little bit at the front. I don't know how you call those styles, but yeah. This is another one, yeah, to the side. And this is another number two. I don't know the names to call them, but if you are looking for styles or how you can style this kind of hair, these are example of how you can style them. It's not so difficult. The reason why I like this kind of short hair is because of the way it's easy, so easy to style. So over here, you could see me braiding one of the hair because I've not been able to style it to the end. That is why I am styling it like that. Oh, look at this hair. I love it so much. But I did this particular one, I don't really like it. Okay, this one is giving what it's supposed to give, and I love it so much. So let's move to the next one. I don't know what I'm doing over here, but I know it will come out nicely. This one is giving moonhawk. This one is giving moonhawk. So let's see what is the next one. And yeah, I'm just like, I didn't even plan all of this. I'm just doing it myself. Yeah. This one is also all up to the side. I don't know how to call that style, but I know it came out nicely. And this one is another style. It's giving something simple. And what is this again? Oh, yeah, I love it so much. What is this? What do you call this? Yeah, all of them are coming out so nicely, but I don't know if you have a name, if you know any name for those styles. This is all up, all back. Yeah, let me lay my edges. I relaxed my edges a bit before, so I think I'll be adding that video as well. But if it's too much, all you need, if you have natural, don't forget to, if you don't like it, don't do it. Don't forget to relax your edges a bit. So this is me gushing. This is me feeling happy over the hair. Look at how it looks on me. It looks so amazing. So guys, go try this style if you like it. But if you are close to me, why not book appointment and let me get it down for you. But if you are not close to me, I know the reason why I'm saying if you are close to me is because some people that view my video are actually close to where I am. So that is why I'm saying if you are close to me. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Do not hesitate to like or share for others to see also. Thank you so much as you do that. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you, and I appreciate your time so much. Goodbye.